हेलो फ्रेंड, आप सभी का वेलकम है पीएस क्लासेस में। दोस्तों, मैं सीटेट इंग्लिश पेडागोजी टेस्ट सीरीज 4 लेकर के प्रेजेंट हो चुका हूं। दोस्तों, आज के टारगेट है 400 लाइक एंड 400 सब्सक्राइब। दोस्तों, चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन ये रहा, द मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ लैंग्वेज टीचर एज facilitator is A. To provide a lot of information and make the learners listen to it. B. To strictly control the class and cover the syllabus in quick time. C. To read the lesson aloud and provide explanation for each line. And D. To create a number of opportunities for learners to use the language meaningfully. Tell me guys, which option is correct? Which one is correct? B. Which one is correct? B, A, C, D. The option is goes to correct D. To create a number of opportunities for the learners to use the language meaningfully. The next question is that which of the following will help learners take greater responsibility for their own learning? Controlled writing task, peer assessment, summative assessment, supervised reading session. Tell me guys. The option is goes to correct C, summative assessment. The next question is that the main purpose of assessment is to give practice in writing, to improve the teaching learning process, to decide pass and fail, to measure achievement of learners. Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? Which one is goes to correct? The option B is goes to correct, to improve the teaching learning process. The next question is that when young learners are taught to improve their spelling and punctuation, they will A. nurture their creativity, B. sharpness their listening skill, C. improve their accuracy, and D. enhance their fluency. Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? The option is C is correct, improve their accuracy. The next question is that instead of asking question and getting answer from her learners, a teacher gives some short text and asks her learners to frame question. Her primary objective is to make the learners realize the difficulties faced by the teachers in preparing question paper, enhance the learners' analytical and critical thinking, and C. train the learners as good question paper setters, and D. take their help during examination. Which option is goes to correct? The option is B correct. Enhance the learners' analytical and critical thinking. The next question is that reading between lines as a sub-skill of reading mainly involves A. giving sufficient space between line, B. inferring the unstated using the contextual and verbal clues, and C. identifying the grammatical item, and D. understanding the state facts. Tell me guys, which one is correct? Tell me guys. The option is goes to correct B. inferring the unstated using the contextual and verbal clues. The next question is that correct speech habits can be developed most effectively through vocabulary practice, quizzes, dictations, pronunciation practice. The option is goes to correct D, pronunciation practice. The next question is, after reading a poem, a teacher involved the learners in group work. One group writes the summary of the poem, another draws a picture to depict the main theme, and yet another set the poems to music. This activity caters to diverse abilities and interests. B is aimed at preparing the learners for the assessment. C will distract the learners from the lesson, and D is sheer waste of time. Sheer waste of time. Tell me guys, which one is correct? The option is goes to correct A, caters to diverse abilities and interest. The next question is that young learners will enjoy a play included in the textbook when they A. enact the play, B. get detailed explanation about the play from the teacher, C. read the play silently, and D. silent to the teachers reading the play. Tell me guys, which one is correct? A. Which one is correct? A. enact the play. Enact the play. The option is goes to A. The next question, Under constructivist approach to language learning, learners are encouraged to avoid errors completely, practice language drills mechanically, learn the grammar rules by rote, and discover the rules of grammar from examples. The option is goes to correct D. Discover the rules of grammar from example. The next question is that after a storytelling session, the learners are asked to change the ending of the story. This will help the learners A. Develop library references skill, B. Evaluate the teacher's originality, and C. Become imaginative and creative, and D. Understand grammar better. Tell me guys, which one is correct? Which one is correct? The option is goes to correct C. Become imaginative and creative. The next question is that when young learners are asked to read a text silently, they should be instructed to infer the meaning of any words from the context and read with comprehension. B. To pay special attention to grammar items used in the passage. And C. To read fast even if they don't comprehend the meaning. And D. To stop reading whenever they encounter difficult words or phrase. Tell me guys, or phrase. The option is goes to correct A. To infer the meaning of new words from the context and read with the comprehension. The next question is that the primary objective of use role play is to promote the reading habit, to improve the communicative competence, C. To develop acting talent, and D. To evaluate dialogue writing skill. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? B. To improve the communicative competence. The next question and the last question. Language skills are best learned if they are taught in an integrated manner. B. With the help of challenging and mechanical. C. When they are introduced in isolation, one skill at a time. And D. Only through written text and assignment. Tell me guys, which one is correct? The option is goes to A. Language. A. Language skills are best learned if they are taught in a integrated manner. The next question is that substitution table drills help teachers in improving the fluency of learners, evaluating the listening skill, and C. Giving control language practice, and D. Develop free writings. Tell me which one is correct. The option goes to correct C. Giving control language practice. My dear friends, कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि आपका स्कोर कितना गया। दोस्तों, ये था आपका 4th टेस्ट सीरीज ऑफ इंग्लिश पेडागॉजी। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज का जो टारगेट्स है वो है 500 लाइक्स एंड 500 सब्सक्राइब। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करिएगा। ऐसी वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए राइट साइड में बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा। दोस्तों, अगर पुराने व्यूअर हैं तो केवल लाइक कर दीजिएगा। एंड तक आपने वीडियो को देखा। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।